Hey, fellow traders, welcome back to Insider Financial. Tomorrow we will drop our first profile for 2025. We finished up 2024 strong after capitalizing on a volatile December. We profiled several companies that made double and triple digit moves. What about that late Christmas present we got with our most profiled company over the past 2 years, exploding to $5.49? This is a company we often profiled while it was under 30 cents a share. We have received some emails from members alerting us to their incredible success following that one. While we closed out 2024 strong and took some time to regroup after the new year, we are back with a small select list of companies for you to look at this week. This first one operates in one of the world's oldest, time-tested, and exciting sectors. As a precious metal, silver has long been viewed as a store of value, much like gold but with unique advantages. Silver outperforms gold during certain market conditions, mainly when strong economic growth or inflationary pressures exist. While gold often shines during periods of financial uncertainty, silver has more industrial applications, such as in electronics, solar panels, and electric vehicles, that make it a versatile opportunity in a rapidly evolving global economy. As demand for these technologies increases, so does the need for silver, which could translate into higher prices and more significant opportunities for investors in silver mining companies. You also cannot overlook the relatively low cost of silver compared to gold, which makes silver a more accessible entry point for the average Joe. Silver can be more volatile because of its lower price point, which may offer tremendous upside potential for those with a higher risk tolerance. Additionally, silver is a smaller market than gold, meaning that even modest demand increases can significantly impact prices. Investors who gain exposure to silver mining companies stand to benefit from this price appreciation, particularly if the companies have high quality assets, low production costs, and strong management teams. Pull up VZLA immediately. The outlook for silver and silver stocks is generally positive, particularly over the medium to long term. The combination of industrial demand, particularly in renewable energy and technology, potential supply challenges, and macroeconomic factors such as inflation or geopolitical instability suggest that silver should maintain and even increase its value. Vizsla Silver is a Canadian mineral exploration and development company headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia, focused on advancing its flagship 100% owned Panaco silver-gold project in Sinaloa, Mexico. To date, Vizsla Silver has completed over 380,000 meters of drilling at Panaco, which has led to the discovery of several new high-grade veins. For 2024, Vizsla Silver has budgeted over 45,000 meters of resource discovery-based drilling designed to upgrade and expand the mineral resource and test other high-priority targets across the district. Silver's use in solar panels, batteries, and electronics continues to grow, especially with the increasing demand for EVs and solar power. The push for decarbonization worldwide will likely keep silver in demand for these applications. Key highlights include factors like rising industrial usage, jewelry demand, and interest rate cuts drive momentum in silver metal prices. VZLA is cash rich with over $90 million in the bank and a team with a track record of proven success. Vizsla Silver confirms exceptional continuity of high-grade silver and gold through ongoing infill drilling at Coppola Central. If in production today, based on the PEA, Panaco would be the 10th highest silver-producing asset in the world. And you can also see, look at all these buy ratings from analysts. So there's a lot of analysts all projecting higher prices for VZLA. To read our full report on VZLA, click that link in the description. Guys, moving on, we had some big winners last year here at Insider Financial, notably in the AI and quantum computing space. We said that you can't have AI without quantum computing. Some of the biggest biggest winners in the sector that we covered here on this channel were IONQ, QBTS, and QUBT. Last week, though, the bubble burst when NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said the major developments in quantum computing were probably 20 years out. That crushed the entire sector. I am not buying this dip, guys. I do think the bubble has popped, so buyer beware. I am not going to argue with Jensen Huang. If he's saying it is 20 years out, he knows far more than I will ever know when it comes to AI, supercomputing, quantum computing, and semiconductors. So I am not going to argue with him. If he says it's 20 years out, it is 20 years out, and that is going to really put a lot of pressure on the sector. So you can see how the charts have reacted. I mean, IONQ hit over $54, pulled all the way back to 26, had a bounce on Friday. Yes, there will be bounces, but I do think the trend still will be down. QBTS rallied all the way to 1150, down to 577. QUBT was the biggest runner. I mean, this one here, again, I covered it all year. You can go ahead and check out the channel and see what I've had to say about all of these plays. I mean, it was trading under $1 until October, spiked all the way to $27, pulled back here to $8.98. Again, I think a lot of chart damage. Overall, I think this is, again, negative for the sector and will be weighing on prices. This year, guys, I will be sending out a lot more text notifications in the morning, what I am personally doing in the markets. I am doing a lot of options trading, buying calls and puts. No fancy strategies, just looking for stocks with catalysts and then trading accordingly whether I am bullish or bearish on that stock. I trade weekly options. I am focused on short-term moves. All of these are, 5 days or less. To get these types of alerts, go to insiderfinancial.com and click Get Text Updates for our 100% free SMS stock alerts. This week is the first full trading week of 2025. Earnings are going to start rolling in. Wednesday really kicks things off with JP Morgan Chase, JPM, Wells Fargo, WFC, BlackRock, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Kinder Morgan, and Bank of New York Mellon. Thursday, Taiwan Semi, United Healthcare, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, U.S. Bank Corp, and M&T Bank. And again, I'm watching all of these for options trades. There's going to be a lot more companies reporting earnings, but they don't have a lot of volume in the options market, so you have big spreads. I like to trade, stocks with a lot of options volume, plenty of liquidity, and tight spreads. So again, the ones that I mentioned, there's going to be plenty of volatility. I will be trading them after earnings, not before. I do not have a crystal ball, and I cannot predict what the earnings will be. I will wait and look for the data and then look at the chart. Fundamentals and technicals, friends, it's that simple. Lots of chatter this weekend on GRNQ, just a 4.14 million share float. Big day Friday, squeezing more in the after hours. Remember, guys, these are trade ideas, not buy and hold. So again, get in, make that money, keep the stops tight. Again, none of this is financial advice, but again, trade accordingly. These are not buy and holds. So you want to get in, make that money, and move on to the next play. Lastly, guys, I will be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up, especially we get the text updates. That's the fastest way to get our alerts. However, Monday's primary focus is VZLA. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. Good luck to all this week except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sideways Frequency for sponsoring this video on VZLA. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.